Well, going over all this was, so this took me a minute to put up. I told every day is gonna be on LA Lewis. I'm sorry, fella. LA Lewis or OBEAH Bill Gates for the virus. You won't understand how much time I tried it. The vice over here, but onto the video with LA Lewis.
I on fire. One Bill Gates believe him bad. Alright. Broke up Bill Gates. Broke up Andrew Wellness. Mad plan. Bring them into the fire. Dr. Fucci. Broke them up. They will kill off too much innocent people. Yes, man, tap to my tongue. Mash up Bill Gates Foundation. Yes, man. They will kill too much innocent people, Snake Eye. They need to be black. Yes, man. They need to go in front of the world police. They need to get locked up. What did she say? Them now are locked up. Judgment to reach them. Judgment to reach them. Yes, man.
The rice and the sugar and maroon town thing to this. I'm going man alone, them thing ain't no bunny sugar and rice and all rice.
Scatter them across the east. Feed them across the west. Feed them across the north. Feed them across the south. Yes, man. Pass up the Snake Eye. What is now? All here.
The maroon bone, the maroon bone.
All here.
The maroon bone family.
Yes, Snake Eye.
The maroon bone.
Pass the maroon bone for me. The giant command. There's enough people never know the giant did that Jamaica. Pass it. And we're going to draw for them bone. Take it out tight.
You don't play.
Yes.
The panic gun.
Yes, man. Because they never know, so that's why the English keep it out of the secret archive. Because they know what the people them know.
People are maroon.
See it here? Maroon bone. Snake Eye, pull the rum. Oi. Pull the rum, Snake Eye. Yes, people. Pull the rum. Sprinkle it on it. All hail, all hail, all hail, all hail, all hail, all hail, all hail.
Yes, man, that's special work. This work is not a joke. If you come with speed, so much up you are working. 10 of them. 10 ducks, 5 women and 5 men. All them come from Maroon Town. And Maroon them. We know that nobody now tell them nothing about them dead when they come down here. From the Maroon.
So we carry them one down and the cemetery with it.
Yeah, no.
That's them one that lead out all of the other rest of them.
Okay.
That's why, hold on, Snake Eye.
I know when we duck them when we bring them when with we. That's a rabbit here.
Alright, throw some for me and throw.
We come to ram the people this year. You cannot get this. That bastard, I work around for the poor people too. And them sickness. We can't get no sickness at Jamaica, man.
No corona down there.
We're not there, we're not there at all.
Let me the lighter there, where the lighter there?
Chuck them at trick the people.
Pass something there, let me light them candle here. Maroon candle them.
Take him lighter, man.
Yes, man.
Take him lighter.
Maroon candle them. So people, what we have to know? Andrew Wallace them not out to give up. Boris Johnson them not out to give up, people. Bill Gates not out to give up. So what we are going to do, we're going to fix them business. See it here? All ancient white cigar. Call the Scots all them dumpy. Come on. What do you jump?
you work. Around town now when I come from, look for him good. I come from town, do you work?
Do you work? Pass her the foot. So do you work? Hallel, 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 hallel. Yes, man. Throw some of this in the fire for the time. And them time I go run out. Yes, man. The time I go run out. Yes, man. Sow them, sow them, sow them, sow them. Sow Boris Johnson. Once and for all. Mash up them plan. What day them there do the plan? We get rid of deporting them. Now them get rid of the people them later gentlemen. All of them are going to pack up in the coffin the later gentlemen. We pack them up in the coffin here.
Oh.
Boris Johnson.
We have a coffin here.
All hail to the great ancestors. All hail to the gods and the ancestors, and we shall have thee. We shall have thee, Timoshe Manisha. Get rid of Bill Gates with the wickedest plan.
Yeah, man.
Them kill off the nation, them snake eye. Them kill off the nation. Yeah. Them come with them Ebola snake eye. Them come with them Ebola. Them come with them AIDS snake eye.
And it's still not work.
And it's still not work. Put on the one, the snake eye. Special one that. Pass the golden child. Yes, snake eye. We big up Donald Trump's on the one and the golden child. Donald Trump said can't get him out. Everyone for Donald Trump's, the whole of America would have dead. Put on the one for Donald Trump's snake eye. I'll heal Donald Trump's. Pick up yourself. Yeah, man. Pass this now, the E+1 this now, man. Yeah, man. Fire and brimstone. For Bill Gates. Dr. Fauci.
Yes, I want a real blood.
Dr. Fauci. Put down for the snake eye. May I hold it too?
Yeah, man. I hear tonight, man. Blessed one.
Yes, man.
Okay.
Dr. Fauci, go down in the pits of hell. Bill Gates, go down in the pits of hell. All of the other rest of Rockefeller them. Who not do good, go down in the pits of hell. All of the people them in the medical associates who will kill off the people them innocently with the EDAP injection them. Go down in the pits of hell. All the prime ministers and the presidents them worldwide. Who kill off the people them.
I'm mostly black them I kill.
I'm mostly black them I kill, but them kill white too, them kill the Jews them. Okay. Because what go on now, them come under the name of Bill Gates now. IBM, who did fund Hitler to kill off the people them snake eye.
That's true.
Now Hitler coming under the name of Microsoft, Bill Gates. True. Yes, man. So I see them at Jamaica who kill off the people with the 5G. 5G going into the pits of hell. 5G shall fail. 5G shall fail. Go into the pits of hell.
Down.
Yes, snake eye. We see them at the gangle. Yes, snake eye. The doctor never come. Then give me a message. Them say, Andrew, hold this. Put the blame on Peter Crofton. Put the blame on Crofton Tufton. And come out and escape and beg apologize to the